So today I'm going to be talking about this scrub. If you're getting this scrub for the purpose of exfoliating your skin, everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Victoria Vic and I'm super excited to have you all here. Well, today is a beautiful day. I am so excited today. I know a lot of you want to know why am I this excited. Well, because I know that today is going to be a favorite day for all of us. And again, I want to inform you all that our website, victoriavicchannel.com e-commerce website, has been launched. Yeah, a lot of you have always asked me, please ma, where can I buy your skincare products that are original? That is why I took it upon myself to provide only the original products that work. And then again, I also come to review this particular body scrub to you all. So in my website, you're going to be getting only original products, okay? And you're going to get a refund 100% if the product you buy is not original. That's how far and how much I can go to make sure you get original products. So a lot of you have always asked me, where can I get the original of those products? And I said to myself, for so many years I've been referring people to different brands, and most times they don't still get the original products from those brands. And I said to myself, okay, let me just get an e-commerce website where I can only sell only the original products to you. And then I'm assuring you that shopping on my website, victoriavicchannel.com, you are only going to just buy the original skincare products that work, okay? Not organic, pure originals. Now today I'm going to be reviewing this Dr. Teal's body scrub, okay, for you all to see. I know you must have come across this body scrub online or in different cosmetic shops, and I know that probably you're looking for the right scrub to use to exfoliate your skin, and that is why I'm coming with this review. I'm going to be talking about this Dr. Teal's Glow and Radiance Vitamin C body and face scrub. I know that your purpose of buying scrub is to exfoliate their skin cells for your skin to pop and glow. My dear, if you're looking for this scrub that will take care of you, that will take away dry skin cells, that will make your skin look popping, make your skin look beautiful, my dear, I think this one will not be the right one for you to use, okay? This scrub does not do anything. Trust me, I tell you the right products that work. That is what my brand is all about. I tell you the right products that work. If it's not working, I don't tell you it works. I make sure I tell you the truth. I've had this scrub for about a year now, and I can tell you it is just like a lotion when you apply it on the skin. And then another thing I realized about it is that it makes your skin darker. So if you are looking for a scrub that will make you look brighter, glowing, and it doesn't do the work it's written. It was written vitamin C body and face scrub, glow and radiance. It does not glow you. It does not brighten you. It does not exfoliate the skin. I'm not talking about Dr. Teal's general products. I'm not talking about Dr. Teal's general products, okay? I'm talking about only this particular brand because this is the one I've used. So in case you're looking at it, you have the eye to buy it, please watch this video and share it to your friends and loved ones, because you don't know, I don't want you guys wasting your money on skincare products, okay? Because I wasted a lot of money when I was coming up, and I wouldn't want you all to do that. I wasted a lot of money, ended up using products that gave me permanent skin damage, gave me stretch marks and elders, and I don't want any of that for you people. And that again, I have my website now, victoriavicchannel.com. Yeah, you will see only the products that work. Any product that doesn't work, we will not sell it there. And again, if you buy any product that's not original, you're going to get a 100% refund from us on victoriavicchannel.com, on our e-commerce website, victoriavicchannel.com. So I'm just telling you everything you need to know about this Dr. Teal's body scrub. This particular one doesn't do anything on the skin. So please save yourself a lot of money, save yourself the time, save yourself the energy, and don't get it. Don't use this one. Get some. You can get any other products they produce or any other product, okay? But I'm only talking about this one. Like I said again, I bought this scrub because I wanted to brighten my skin, because I wanted to exfoliate my skin, because my feet is dry and my hand is dry. So I wanted something that would make me look, you know, you all know what we need in body scrub, right? But then again, this one doesn't really do the work it's written. if you apply it, even the stones inside is not even strong. It's just like cream. How else like would I even explain it for you all to know? It doesn't exfoliate the skin. It's just like applying lotion on your body, and it darkens the skin, except you want to be really dark, and except you don't care about anything else. So that's that for that, and that is what I've come to tell you guys today about this Dr. Teal's body scrub. This is just my honest review. I don't know if you have a different review apart from what I've said. You're free to drop it. Okay, this is just me. I'm talking about this scrub from experience. Okay, and I hope you find this video very useful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Victoria Vic channel. We recommend only the right products that work. You can find the list of my skincare products in my website at victoriavicchannel.com. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.